As we all know, suns give off light. Uh, I assume our sun, it's because of the corona, it's very hot and I think it's gases that uh, when the explosions from the volcanic activity, as it probably is, gets penetrate or goes through the corona, it's being what's it called when it's gases? It's being it it explodes and then it causes the speed of light. As far as I understand it, and then I think we all know, but it seems like I've listened to World Science Festival and I was a bit surprised to hear that they seem to think, but maybe I misunderstood, that planets and moons give off light like suns do. But that's not what I have learned. It because if you look at the moon, sometimes it's not full moon. It's because the sunlight is um, it's from depending on what direction and how it's positioned when it comes to angles. It that's what causes or the mm, that's what results in how much we see of the moon because it's being because it's the sunlight that makes it visible, like the Earth seen from uh, outside, and I don't know if Venus could give off light or could maybe you can see some of the volcanic activity from, but I don't think it has a corona that gives off light and that lights up other objects like moons and planets. But I thought it was that everyone knew that it's that they don't all give off light, that it's something lights up the objects. Like it's not, oh, what beautiful stars, like from a fairy tale, that they are twinkling. There could be some objects that we don't know about that are stars and that twinkle, and that there's no explanation to yet. Then Brian Greene talked about some scientists from, I don't know, 1800s, 1700s that talked about how something could be dark out there that uh, are the reason why galaxies don't stay in orbit and stay in the same position like solar systems. And as far as I know how they were thinking, they were very, what's it called? I don't think down to earth is the right word, but like very literal in the way they talked. They didn't think about something magical, darkness out there. That I don't know if I'm right, but Newton was inspired by old philosophers, and it was very literal. It was like taking breaks. If you have this break and this, and it equals that break, creating concepts. So maybe they were thinking there's something dark that is not illuminated. It's not lit up. We cannot see it. That causes the orbits of uh, solar systems in galaxies. I think they I've seen a phenomenon where it looked like a sun set in the darkness. I took an image of it, a photo, but it disappeared on Facebook. Whatever. But then I thought maybe if something in the universe, maybe there are angles that can be just twisted a little bit, and then some light from somewhere can light up objects in space that we cannot see if we don't get that specific light to light it up. And that could be that it's not something, hey, all the wormholes that we cannot go through if it's black holes. And even if it's black holes, then they explain it with it being suns that burn out and they can move around, so there's not even holes into some organic outer space matter. So I think literally they could have, it could be that it should be understood literally that there's something dark out there. We cannot see it. It's not lit up by anything.